Simple macaroni and cheese recipe. Nothing beats a warm, creamy bowl of classic macaroni and cheese. This easy recipe uses just a handful of pantry staples and comes together in under 30 minutes, perfect for weeknight dinners, potlucks, or whenever you're craving comfort food. Ingredients: 1 8-ounce box elbow macaroni, a 1/4 cup butter, a 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, ground black pepper to taste, 2 cups milk, 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese. Method: Step 1. Cook the macaroni. Bring a large pot of lightly salted water to a boil. Add the elbow macaroni and cook for about 8 minutes or until tender. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Drain and set aside. Step 2. Make the roux. In a medium saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in the flour, salt, and black pepper. Stir constantly until the mixture turns smooth and slightly golden, about 5 minutes. Step 3. Add the milk. Gradually pour in the milk while whisking continuously to avoid lumps. Continue cooking and stirring until the sauce thickens and becomes smooth. Step 4. Add the cheese. Reduce the heat to low and stir in the shredded cheddar cheese. Mix until the cheese has completely melted and the sauce is rich and creamy. Step 5. Combine and serve. Add the cooked macaroni to the cheese sauce. Stir gently until every piece of pasta is coated in cheesy goodness. Serve warm and enjoy. Pro tip: for extra flavor, try mixing in a pinch of paprika or topping your macaroni and cheese with breadcrumbs before baking it in the oven for a golden, crispy finish.